In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if your PayPal account is verified. First, make sure you're on a device with a stable internet connection and open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the PayPal website and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main PayPal dashboard, also known as the summary page. This is where you can see your balance, recent activity, and any important alerts. Next, look toward the top right corner of the page. You should see a small gear icon, usually sitting next to the log out option. That gear icon is your settings shortcut. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to your account settings area where you can manage things like your personal details, security preferences, and contact information. On the settings page, focus on the sections that show your email address, your phone number, and your physical address. These are key parts of your identity on PayPal, and they need to be confirmed for your account to be considered fully verified. Carefully look for any warning messages, alerts, or small links that say something like confirm or update. If you see any notes indicating that your email is unconfirmed, your phone number still needs to be verified, or your address has an issue, that's a strong sign that your account is not yet fully verified. Take a moment to fix any of those issues by following PayPal's on-screen instructions. Usually, that might mean clicking a confirmation link sent to your email, entering a code sent to your phone, or updating your address details. Now, let's go back to the main dashboard or summary page. This is another place where PayPal will clearly tell you if something is missing. Look carefully at the top or near the center of the page for any prominent notification banners. For example, you might see a message telling you to submit information to access your funds, verify your identity, or upload a document like an ID photo. If you see a message like that, it means your account is not yet fully verified, and there are still steps you need to complete before you can use all of PayPal's features without restrictions. By checking both the settings page and the notifications on your dashboard, you'll know exactly where your account stands and what you need to do next to get